Everyone, it's a Dark Knight admin, and we're going to talk about making objects quick today. So you want to go fast. You want to build an object quick. You want to build all the fields with it right away. You want to have all the records with it right away. There's a way to do it. From the Object Manager, you go to Create, click the little arrow there. Instead of just creating a custom object, you're going to create a custom object from a spreadsheet. This does require that you have to have a spreadsheet to do all this cool stuff. So I have a simple spreadsheet right here. It's for my animal. I have my name, my color, the noise they make, and then the environment. Get 4 records. See what happens. So when I click that button, it takes me to a page like this. I'm going to select the spreadsheet option that I have here. If you had any other formats, you can select those as well. It's going to take you to the page here where you can set it up. So I have my different names from the file here, the map, the field that it's going to make in Salesforce, and you also can specify the type that it's going to be. I'm changing my environment to pick list, so it's going to create that as a pick list field for me. This gives you a little preview of what it looks like. You can add it to the page layout. You can also choose whether or not you want to import your rows of data. I can say, yes, I want to import them, or no, I don't. So I'm going to import my data just because I want it. You may be wondering why you would want to skip. Maybe you have a sample data and you want to create a pick list. It's going to use those values to create the pick list for you. And so now we have our objects ready to go. Before you do that, please like and subscribe. I produce Salesforce tips every week, so come back next time. Then it's going to ask you, how do you want to make the object? I'm going to give the label, and then once you have the label assigned, you're going to have your success screen here. So it's going to say you created the object. It says how many fields it detected, how many rows it detected, how many fields it created, how many it imported. It's going to ask you if you want to do it again. I'm good. I've created what I want. I can go check out my records that I created. I'm going to the tab for the animals. I can see that the animals there, they have the name, they have the color, they have the noise, the environment. I have all the records that I wanted. I have the values that I created for that as well. There's some things to think about in order to use this tool. You do have to be an API user because it makes you log into an application to do that uses the API. So make sure if you do that, you have to have API enabled. Most orgs have that available. One other thing to note is that you need to map all the fields on that mapping page. If you miss mapping, it's going to throw an error and then you have to start all over again. All right, thanks for coming. I'll see you next time.